If you own an Epson printer and want to print or scan straight from your phone, this video is for you. With the Epson Smart Panel app, you can easily print photos, documents, scan files in just a few taps. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up an app on your phone and use it to print and scan step by step. And by the end of this video, you'll be using your Epson printer like a pro. And if you need extra help, you can call the numbers on the screen for personalized support. Now, let's begin. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Go to your phone's App Store, whether that's the App Store for iPhone or Google Play for Android, and search for Epson Smart Panel. Hit the Install button to download the Epson Smart Panel app on your phone. Once the app is installed, tap on the Open button to launch the app. After launching the app, you need to follow the on-screen instructions. Don't worry, they're really easy to follow and will guide you through the setup process. You're going to reach a page where you're prompted to select your printer. Find and select the Epson printer you want to connect to this app. Once you've selected it, tap on OK to finish the initial setup. On the next page, you'll be asked to select the type of the screen you want to use. You'll see an option called Used Styles in the lower right corner. Simply tap on it. Once you've selected the tile's home screen type, your screen will look like this. Now that the app is all set up, let's move ahead and start printing with the Epson Smart Panel app. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more easy and helpful tutorials like this. On the home screen, tap on the Print option to start the printing process. The app will now ask you to select whether you want to print photos or print documents. Choose whichever option matches you want to print. Now, you'll be asked to choose the files you want to print from your phone. Once you've selected the files, the app will show you a preview of your photo or document you want to see, what it's going to look like when printed. If you want to change any print settings like the number of copies, paper size, or color options, click on the small gear icon in the lower left corner. Make any adjustment you need and tap on Done to save your settings. Once everything is set up the way you want it, tap on the Print button to send your document or photos to your Epson printer. Now, just wait for your printer to print your documents or photos. It should start printing within a few moments. Your printed documents will be ready in no time. Alright, so now that you know how to print using the Epson Smart Panel app, let me show you how to scan your document and photos as well. The scanning process is just as easy. From the home screen of the app, tap on the Scan option to start scanning. Then, choose what you want to scan. If you want to make any adjustments to the scan settings, like the resolution, file format, or color, go ahead and do that now before you start scanning. Once everything is set up and ready, tap on the Start button to begin the scanning process. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.